Hello friends, welcome to my new topic of new type of gadgets and dashboards. Which new gadgets we will see? I'll just show you. So I am back with this ecom dashboard, and in the last video we saw the two-dimensional gadget of dashboard and pie chart we have already seen. Now let's come to one more thing is filter results and heat map. Let's see these two gadgets. So what is filter results? What I'll do is I'll just again take my saved filter ecom stories in QA 10 and leave as it is everything and then show you what exactly it means. See, filter results means I can see the each and every result of this filter. So there are 14 issues or 14 user stories. See, you can see here also there are 14 user stories. So I can see this all the 14 user stories with priority. See, this is the lowest, this is high, this is high, this is highest. So all the user stories with the priority, I can see the all the results of this filter. So how we can change it again? I'll just go to what I have done is number of results, add columns to display. So columns is what I'll do is status. See these are the columns: issue type, key, summary, priority and status. Now I'll click on save. So you can maximize it and see that these are the filter results, these are the priority, these are the status. So whatever I configure in this filter result, so configuration means the number of results. Of course, if I fill 15 here, it will be more. Then the columns to display, issue types, key. Suppose I don't want summary, then there is no point of keeping this filter. The main type of filter is in this dashboard only. It's a ready reckoner that what is the status of all my results from one particular filter. So how this is beneficial? This gadget is beneficial like daily morning I want to come and see that there are 10 user stories my team is working. What is the status of each and every story as a ready reckoner? I can just go and see that okay, as and one column can be the status. So 10 stories are there. The what is the status of these 10 stories? Easily I can go and check it. So I can track their work that okay, in how many user stories, how many bugs are open. So suppose I can make a filter that these many bugs are open, these are in QA, these many bugs are resolved, these many bugs are closed. So I can just go to filter and see that okay, these are closed, I can remove it, or these are still open, why are still open. So this is the advantage of filter results in Jira. Now I will show you one more gadget, heat map. What is heat map? Heat map is where the maximum heat is. I mean to say that where is the maximum amount of results in a filter, that depicts the heat map. I'll just show you and explain. I'll just go to my ecom stories in QA, statistics type. So here I'll go to the status. Now you can see it's in two dimension. 8 stories are in to do. and 3 are in progress, 2 are in QA, 1 in done. It means the maximum heat, the maximum number of times there is a story, or the maximum stories are in which state? To do state. So here the heat lies. So the to do comes in with a little bit of enlarged font, and then comes the decreasing font in every other type of story status. What I'll do is I'll again show you, instead of status, if I go with the priority, now you see there are maximum issues in medium category. See 4. So medium is 4. You can see high is also 4. So this is having the same font. Less than that is 222. So low, lowest and highest all have the same font. So this is the way the heat map is represented in the dashboard. So hope these two, heat map and filter results, helped you gain some new knowledge on the additional gadgets. Thank you guys. Please support me and my channel.